Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's episode, I'll be reviewing the brand new ShineMaster M550 Rotary Polisher. ShineMaster in the USA is also known as MaxShine worldwide. So a rotary polisher, when people hear the word rotary, they start panicking. So we're gonna debunk the myths. I'm gonna tell you who this tool is for and of course what uses you can have out of them. And of course, we're also gonna compare this to a DA polisher on a paintwork so you guys can see the advantages of using this kind of a tool. So you're gonna learn everything about it. Stay tuned. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'm reviewing a brand new polisher from ShineMaster. Now, MaxShine worldwide is known as ShineMaster in the USA, and this is the new ShineMaster M550 Rotary Polisher. So what is a rotary polisher? Well, essentially the backing plate spins on itself, so it doesn't have a throw or a random orbital movement like a dual action polisher. So it spins on its own and doesn't move from side to side. So it has a high concentration of power. And before we go ahead and show the features of the tool, I just want to tell you to not worry, enjoy the video. All the links to the products are going to be included in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So first of all, what comes in the box? Well, as you can tell, first of all, this is the super slim box, so very compact. It has a 550 watt motor. This is a rotary polisher. And inside this box that comes with a carrying handle, by the way, you get a nice pouch like you do with all the ShineMaster or MaxShine polishers. You get the instructions manual. You get a warranty card. What is this? It's a 1-year comprehensive warranty. Essentially, they will repair without any charge any defects due to faulty materials or workmanship for 1 year from the date of purchase. So all the info is on this card. You get a spare tool for the backing plates and also some spare brushes. So that's also a neat little addition. So in my detailing arsenal, I have many different polishers. So from DA polishers to forced rotation polishers, some bigger ones, smaller ones, 1-inch backing plates, 3-inch backing plates, 5 and 6 inch backing plates. And recently I reviewed a value proposition from ShineMaster. This is their brand new M8S DA polisher, 5-inch backing plate, 8mm throw. Only 89 bucks, so a great entry-level polisher that gets the job done. So you can watch that review on my channel. But this one here, a rotary polisher, this comes in at only $130 US, and the price of course might change. So check the links in the description under the video for the most up-to-date pricing. But essentially, well, who is this targeted for? Of course, rotary polishers are very, very powerful. So they're targeted more towards the professional detailer. And of course, even at that, you need many years of experience before being able to use a tool like this with confidence. I've seen some detailers with over 10 years of experience that still struggle, so it's a learning curve. However, the advantages that this has is that it's great at cutting. So if you need some heavy cutting done quickly, this is great because you have to do a lot less passes than you would with a DA polisher. And this is also good for doing some edge work. So what I mean by edge is sometimes you're close to the edge of that panel and you need a consistently spinning backing plate like this so you can do some precise work, or in harder to reach areas, of course, or smaller or intricate parts. This is great for that. All right, so now let me show you where a rotary polisher comes into play and where you guys might need one in your arsenal if you're a professional detailer or even a very experienced enthusiast. So we're gonna compare this with the ShineMaster M8S. Now this has an 8mm throw. So the spindle moves side to side 8mm. So it's not even a long throw, so it doesn't go that far, but you're gonna see how less of control you have closer to an edge with a DA polisher. And you're gonna see just how more precise it is to do the work and how more consistent you get and closer you can get to that edge with a 3-inch backing plate on a rotary polisher. So guys, as you were able to tell, well, you can get a lot closer to the edge with a rotary polisher like the ShineMaster M550. So let's go over what this tool has for specifications. So it has a soft rubber grip here up top. So this is very comfortable when you're using it. Great for ergonomics. So as I said, this has a 3-inch backing plate in the back. So it has a variable and adjustable speed dial from 1,000 to 3,500 RPM. So you have the toggle switch here in the back and with a positive clicking action. So if you want to hear what it sounds like, let's start at speed number 1. By the way, the power switch here, the toggle switch, is on the other side. So it's on or off. So speed number 1. Speed number 2. Speed 3, speed 4, 5, 6. So very, very powerful, 550 watt motor, but of course all that power is greatly augmented because of that smaller backing plate and of course the fact that it spins in the same place. It's a plastic body that's very, very sturdy and very compact. This is also lightweight. It's only 1.5 kilos or 2.2 pounds. It comes with a pretty long 4-meter cable that's roughly 13 feet in length. And it's a heavy-duty cable. And well, of course, this is not only well built, but it will help you get the job done. And it's very efficient. So efficiency, if that's what you're looking for, this is the tool for you. But of course, again, take time to learn how to use this on test panels, not on customers' vehicles, because you could burn through the clear coat. And another downside of rotary polishers is they can exhibit some holograms and also buffer trails after the cutting stage. So that's one thing if you don't properly use this. However, that's nothing that can be corrected with a DA polisher afterwards. So usually a professional will use this for the cutting stage, and then when it's time to do the refining stage or polishing stage, they'll go over to DA polishers because I find that those finish a lot better. So they do the polishing job. So ShineMaster also has some polishing compounds. So essentially they have the heavy cutting compound. They call it heavy cutting, but I'd put it at roughly a medium cut power. So if you have very, very deep scratches or swirls, look elsewhere. But for the majority of the typical scratches and swirl marks, this heavy cut compound will do. It's no dusting, so that's good. No silicone in there also, that's pretty good. These are made in the USA, so they're polishes. And they have their super finish polish. So this is a jeweling or a finishing polish for the lighter swirls and scratches or the lighter oxidation in the paint. So these work pretty decently well. I was kind of surprised by those. So depending on your needs, of course, MaxShine or ShineMaster also have a bunch of different pads that they make and also backing plates. So you guys can check those out. But you have stuff like their wool pads, and they have a bunch of different foam pads. So from the extreme cut all the way down to polishing and applying waxes or sealants, they have different foam pads that you guys can check out, of course, for your needs. Very inexpensive and again, value-oriented proposition. This is what MaxShine or ShineMaster are most known for. So the value, you get a lot of value or bang for buck for the money. So you get a very good warranty. You get a tool that's very well built. They all perform well. I've been testing a bunch of their polishers if you've been following my channel. So I was able to test the M15 dual action polisher, the M15 Pro dual action polisher, the M8S entry-level dual action polisher, and now this rotary or M550 polisher. And they all do the job extremely well and at a price that is absolutely mind-boggling. I don't even know how they do it. So again, this is only $130 US. And again, the price might change. So for the most up-to-date prices, guys, check the links that I put in the description under the video for you guys to check these products out. So the highlights of a rotary polisher are a lot of power. That's great for cutting. So if you need to do heavy cutting quickly, you're in a body shop environment where you need to get the job done fast, this is a great tool. However, you got to take great precaution and have a lot of experience because you can burn through the clear coat or through the paintwork if you're not careful. And you can also have some holograms or buffer trails. Of course, if you get those, it's not the end of the world. You can always correct that with a DA polisher in the finishing stage, but just keep that in mind. So I suggest practicing on a test panel before you go ahead, of course, and do that on customers' cars or on your own vehicles. But this is a great tool. It's great at what it does. And I always see this as an extra piece of equipment in a detailer's arsenal. So as you guys know me, I have a bunch of different polishers and polishing sizes in my arsenal, and this is just another one. So you pull this out when you need that specific work done. So it's always great to have many tools in your arsenal, so that way you can use whatever tool you need according to what situation you have when you're actually doing some polishing work. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. By the way, I want to give a big shout out to MaxShine, also known as ShineMaster in the USA, for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button to show me your support. Also take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.